Hello, my name's Bob Pooler. You may know me by the voice or the name from 1340 AM on your dial. I'm here at the Max Moore Treehouse, an important piece of the city of Plattsburgh and an important section of the Saranac River Trail. I'd like to share a story about this important and wonderful trail with you. This is a story happening right here in Clinton County, where you and your families work, live, and play. To tell the story right, we need to start from the beginning, because as you know, it's a good place to start. This is a story about the Saranac River Trail Greenway, where it began, where it is now, and where it is going. To help me tell the story is my friend, Kevin Farrington, the City of Plattsburgh engineer.
Thanks, Bob. I'm so happy to be here to tell a part of the Saranac River Trail story. The City of Plattsburgh SRT currently runs along the river from George Angel Drive behind the Plattsburgh High School, through the college campus, through parts of the south end of the city, to the Max Moore Treehouse. The next planned portion of the City of Plattsburgh Saranac River Trail will extend both upstream and downstream. The downstream portion within the city limits will continue downstream through the Plattsburgh Police Station property to the Plattsburgh Middle School. It will also continue to the downtown business district. This section of the trail will include 2 pedestrian bridges. The upstream portion of the trail will extend to a point approximately 2.15 miles to the west, connecting to the town of Plattsburgh, the start of the Saranac River Trail Greenway. The next section of the City of Plattsburgh Trail is ready and will be constructed on public sector property extending through the Plattsburgh City School District High School property, SUNY Plattsburgh Fieldhouse, and the sports complex, and westward across the City of Plattsburgh property to Reeves Lane in the town of Plattsburgh. The next section will have exceptional views of the Saranac River, especially around the Imperial Dam, keeping with the desire to keep the trail near the water. This addition will increase the current City of Plattsburgh portion of the SRT to almost 4 miles. Thank you to the Friends of the Saranac River Trail and to all of you who have supported this project over the last 10 years. Now I'm going to leave you with Sarah Rowden, who is going to tell you about the section of the Saranac River Trail that extends outside the City of Plattsburgh and into the town of Plattsburgh.
Thanks, Kevin. So much has happened, and so much more is going to happen as we now talk about the Saranac River Trail Greenway. As it leaves the city and enters into the town of Plattsburgh and Schuyler Falls and ends at the new land trust in the town of Saranac, and bringing the entire trail to almost 26 miles long. The SRTG is under the umbrella of the Clinton County Planning Department. We thank the Clinton County Legislature for supporting this important project. The 7-member board consists of representatives from the City of Plattsburgh and the town partnerships. This dedicated group is working hard to make this vision a reality for all of us and visitors to our community. The primary mission of the SRTG board is to obtain funds for trail construction. All funding to date has gone to complete the Saranac River Trail feasibility study and other required steps needed in order to apply for actual trail construction funds. Once the city portion meets the town of Plattsburgh boundary line, much is planned. Included in the SRTG feasibility study are 3 planned spurs in each partner township. Funds for the town of Plattsburgh spur, to be located at the end of LaPierre Lane in the hamlet of Morrisonville, has been applied for and received by the foundation of CVPH. The LaPierre Lane Riverway is located directly on the banks of the Saranac River. Once all 3 spurs are in place, the Saranac River Trail Board, working closely with county decision makers, will begin the most important piece of the effort, connecting in each spur to the primary Saranac River Trail Greenway, eventually completing the 26-mile trail. And now, to tell you more about the town of Plattsburgh LaPierre Lane Riverway is Trevor Cole, Senior Planner.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll take it from here. I'm Trevor Cole, Senior Planner with the town of Plattsburgh, and I'm here with Scott Allen from AES Northeast. We're here at LaPierre Lane, which is home of the future LaPierre Lane Riverway. LaPierre Lane is the site of a beautiful natural area located right on the Saranac River. And in 2016, the town of Plattsburgh conducted a local waterfront revitalization plan, which identified 5 key priority projects, and LaPierre Lane was home to one of them. The goal is to develop the area gently in accordance with nature in a way to allow people more access to the riverfront and to just enjoy this natural area and get people moving. One of the things I really like about this project is it really is a community effort. We're partnering in a public-private partnership with the foundation of CVPH to move a health initiative forward, and we're also working under the umbrella of the Clinton County Destination Master Plan to increase tourism to the area and retain our residents so they can enjoy a beautiful natural area. This area is also going to be designed for everyone. It's a major goal of ours to have this be ADA compliant wherever possible and bring as many people of all abilities who are able to use this site. And speaking of partnerships, I'm lucky to be here with Scott Allen with AES Northeast. Scott?
The LaPierre Lane Riverway provides plans for enhancing access to the Saranac River. A nature-inspired youth adventure area, fitness for life stations, and much more. At AES, our engineering team is very excited to be a part of this project by transforming the conceptual plans into the detailed construction plans needed to actually build this project.
And now that you've learned a little bit about LaPierre Lane and our project that we're excited about, I'm going to hand it off to Carrie Haley with the foundation of CVPH. Carrie?
Thanks, Trevor. My name's Carrie Haley, and I'm the Executive Director for the Foundation of CVPH. We have the unique opportunity to partner with the New York State Health Foundation to be the lead organization on a special grant for our community. The New York State Health Foundation is funded with insurance dollars. One of their missions is to work with local communities across New York State for projects designed to improve health. Here in Clinton County, health issues like diabetes, obesity, heart disease, sedentary lifestyle of all ages, and in particular our youth across Clinton County, continue to have a negative impact. The LaPierre Lane Riverway effort supports the prevention mission of CVPH and the strategic plan we have in partnership with the Clinton County Health Department called the Community Health Improvement Plan for Clinton County. With your support, the LaPierre Lane Riverway project is going to be a huge step towards improving the health of our community. Thanks for your time, and now we're sending it back to Bob.
Oh, you're back. I bet you're wondering what the next steps are. Let's see the next steps. Community and business support is essential to assure the success of the town of Plattsburgh LaPierre Lane Riverway Spur. Even though we've received strong funding from the New York State Health Foundation, donations to this project will allow us to develop an even better permanent and sustainable physical activity area for residents. Stations designed to improve strength and balance of older community members in our Fitness for Life area. Constructing a challenging nature-inspired playscape areas for children. Providing a safe area to teach our kids to fish from the shores of the Saranac River. And increasing access to the Great Waterway are all important pieces of this project. By partnering with the foundation of CVPH, the town of Plattsburgh will have the first complete spur of the SRTG, and then we'll set our sights on the town of Schuyler Falls and Saranac. No, this is not the end, but more like a beginning.